samurai.
Hi, my name is Brar, comedian, entertainer, and filmmaker. But once Y2K hits and the world falls apart, that job will be useless. So I have to figure out a way to survive the apocalypse and make money. And I thought nothing would be better than becoming a chef. So, here at Omo, they have mastered the art of Japanese teppanyaki live show cooking. So I'm gonna try and master the art today in less than an hour. So, without further ado, my name is Brar,
And I am Chef Rems from Omo.
and let's get cooking.
Flip at the back. Okay. One, then flip.
Alright, so one,
Two.
one.
One, then two. Yeah. Okay, cross. Cross finger. Okay.
Alright.
One.
So throw it like
Yeah. Throw it here and then move it.
Okay.
One. Yeah, boy.
Good job!
Hey.
Oh!
One more. One. One, two. Yeah, that's it.
So here, and then
Here.
here.
Yeah. Okay, and then the other. Behind the back,
Oh.
yeah? Yeah, no, this is.
Oh.
Remove this now. Put it here.
Right.
Okay, watch. Stretch it. Oh, hey! Yeah! You made it! Oh, hey! A master. Okay, next. So, you want to try with the fire or?
He wants me to do that?
Go, Metab. You're next.
Oh God.
You will. Then later we're gonna drink this one, eh? Make some fire on the wall.
What?
3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Flip it, Metab. Flip it.
I-
Flip it. 1, 2, 3. Oh, boy! 2, 3. Don't be scared.
It gets so close.
Don't be scared. 1, 2, 3.
What's the life insurance policy working here?
Fine, eh?
1.
2.
I grabbed the fire hand on.
1, 2, 3. Hey! Yeah! On the hat. We're gonna throw it. We're gonna throw on the hat.
On what's on fire?
Yeah.
Okay, I need you to show me this.
No, I'm just kidding.
Oh. I don't know when he's kidding. We're throwing fire. I don't know what's a joke or not.
Tossing the egg. 2, 3, then.
So do I spin it like that?
Yeah, spin my egg right down when you go down.
When you go
down. That's my egg! That's
like-
my egg, Nata!
It's like Easter.
Doing
Just
step
throw it on
bro.
my hand.
1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah! Yeah.
Hey. All the way back.
1 week para.
Protect your face from
My
this.
face. Don't hit me in the tab. 3.
Honestly, I can just do this.
Yeah! That.
Who?
Very
Who?
simple. Okay. Okay, 1, 2. Whoa!
We're the egg boys.
Egg boys. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh! Throw it up here.
Yeah, and then catch
Here?
it in the center. Yeah.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, okay.
Almost,
We're still good. We're still good.
1, 2, 3.
I have killed your family. I killed your brothers by accident. Please don't hate me.
Then some egg.
And push! Push! Congratulations. It's an omelet.
Big boy. 1, 2, 3. Hey!
Oh!
Hey! It's a boy!
See, kids, breaking your first egg in hibachi is just like losing your virginity. Genuine question. Am I the worst you've ever seen?
Yeah, so far, yes. Sorry.
He tried it.
Fuck me, right? I saw him laughing behind the camera. Now I'm making him suffer too.
It's only fair.
So like here, and then
Oh.
then there. Stop flexing on me. Here.
Helicopter, helicopter.
You see? You see?
Oh, hey!
He did it better than me. I can't have this in the video. Oh my god.
Yeah, but come on.
Come on, man.
There's a reason why.
See, kids, they always say, those who can't do, teach. That's me. Let's get cooking. Time to show you my meat. Itadakimasu.
You expect me to serve that?
Yeah, like it has all the food groups, you know, meat, vegetables.
And burn.
Matter of taste.
Okay. Why don't you try it?
Sure, it's probably not that bad, you know. I was wrong. It was actually absolutely awful, like downright atrocious. I should be fired. But I made a deal with Eric, the owner. He said that if I can bring in a group of people, cook for them, and not kill them, I can have a job again. This was it. This is my chance, and I'm not gonna screw it up this time. I trained non-stop. At home, at the movies, even in the bathroom. It was non-stop. Before you know it, unlike my ex-girlfriend, the day finally came. How much faith do you have in me? Oh fuck, this is such a big flame. You two might want to just move back a little bit.
Yeah, I did.
Already ahead of you.
What's that?
Oh!
Okay.
This guy just put his name on the group project, bro.
See, Rems had set the bar extremely high. There's no way I could compete with that. So when it was my turn to go up, I was flabbergasted. I was shook, and damn it, I was scared. But I have one trick up my sleeve. We finally turned the grill on, and it was showtime. Did we turn this on? Alright. This one? Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Hey, yo.
Yes!
Oh! He did something.
Alright, you ready? You guys?
Hi. Ready, yeah? Alright.
See if I can do it.
I love the game. Oh! 1, 2, 3. Yeah! Alright. 1, 2, 3.
Finish him.
The mushroom. What do you think?
I like how everyone has a different vegetable.
I like it.
Okay, have your broccoli. Oh, the ginger as well.
There's also a gun under the counter pointed towards all of us. This is a cry for help.
It's amazing.
I'll go zucchini.
Yeah, that's with the Japanese banana.
Alright, let's see. Alright, let's go some crunch.
Fucking amazing.
Ooh, I dropped the pepper.
Don't drop the fucking pepper. And.
It's pretty good.
Goddamn right. Onion. Everybody was enjoying their meal, but any bozo can make veggies. But it takes a real chef to make the main course. Three, 2. Oh, that was so bad. Yeah. All right, rate my meat.
You can't say that.
How is it?
That's good.
Can I have one?
It's cooked pretty nice.
I checked, it was cooked, you know? Maybe I'll get a little sesame sauce on there too.
That's a yum yum sauce, baby.
It's bussin'. That's bussin'.
What's up?
Guys, should we?
I was thinking
How
ready.
many eggs do you think he's gonna waste?
I don't have enough fingers in my hand.
At home, I was practicing yesterday. I went through 2 cartons of eggs.
Oh my god.
2!
I went through 24 eggs for this.
Damn.
All right.
Ooh, 1. Oh!
Dad.
Oh!
I wanna die.
So my friend Tage thinks she can do as good as I can.
Actually, I don't, but I'm gonna try it.
She was talking shit though, so. Here is the spatula, and here is the family. Watching you maim its unborn child.
1.
Then check this out.
3.
Oh! Not me.
United. Oh.
I quit.
If I'm live tomorrow, I think you did a great job.
How do you think I did?
I'm not gonna lie, I felt like I was watching paint dry. You're incredibly slow. It was incredibly frustrating as well to watch you cook food. However, when the quality of food was pretty good. I'd say I'd give it like an 8 out of 10. It came out good. I don't think I'm gonna get salmonella. Yeah, so great job, I think.
For a month of practice, you did good. I do think I'm gonna get salmonella, but I'll say it was worth it.
The food was really good.
How was the speed?
It was pretty good too, but I mean in the end, it's all like the effort. So.
Hospitality was garbage.
Are you ready? Yeah! Sake! Boom! Sake! Boom! Boom! Sake! Boom! 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 Yeah. Go.
Do you think I can work here? Because I don't have any really remarkable skills.
You're fired.
I was very sad that I didn't have a job anymore. Oma was amazing. Rams taught me a lot. But I will always have the memories that I made here. Like waving goodbye to a drone as it was flying away because I didn't really have a way to end this episode properly.